Hello everybody, you got Chris537 with you, and I wanted to demonstrate my Amiga 500 to be able to get on the Commodore 64 bulletin board system, and that way you guys can check it out. I've often got asked if you can get Commodore 64 color on here. You need this lovely disc called C64 color term. And we are equipped with 4 megs of RAM, SCSI controller. I had to kind of rob a floppy out of my other Amiga because this one went out. That's in there. But it'll be good enough this time to show you guys. So what we're going to do here is we're going to power up our TSP serve. Got it set at 9600 BPS, and that is my string that I make in the notepad and save it as a start.bat file. We got the old modem cable hooked into the COM port. And then we'll go back over here to Amiga LAN. Hit the power switch. And off and away we go. Look for the Anarchy Underground coming soon. Man, that'll tell you about how long ago that was. Wow. Okay, so we're about loaded up here. There's dude's address and his information. If you need a copy, you can get it from me too. I'll hook you up. So now we're going to switch our baud rate. We'll go to baud. I'm going to switch it up to 9600. This version does have a 40 and 80 column mode for those of you that like to use 80 columns and actually see Commodore color. Unfortunately, the protocols are stuck with this X mode. So, let's see if we're on here. Okay, we are on. So we're going to go to audbs.zap2.org so we can call the Anarchy Underground. Pretty good looking graphics for a Commodore Amiga, huh? Can't go wrong. .345 users online. Got 6,300 messages. Let's see if we can find some CGI graphics. I know I got a graphics sub on here. Recently had to make my account over because my, I don't know, something happened earlier. So let's start on 10. Let's see if we can get some CGI graphics on here. There we go. No doubt. Got some 8-bit titties. Oh, got some more action. Remember them days? So I mean, the graphics work pretty damn good on it. Just a couple posts. That's actually a movie one there. Sorry for the shakiness. My hand was kind of getting tired there. It was pretty quick at 9600 baud. Yeah, that one don't work too well on the Amiga. Throw a couple more graphics out here and then I'm going to cut her down. I mean, the software works pretty good for the Amiga 500. You only need I don't know, I got a meg in here plus the 4, but it should just run on a half a meg. So I hope you guys enjoyed it, man. I'm going to go ahead and log off here. ZZ Top. I love them old graphics. If you want to see some more, you got to call the Anarchy Underground. You telnet to aubbs.zap2.org, and the port number is 23. And hope you guys enjoy it.